got done with wrench day, got new tires, checked the final drive oil, replaced the engine oil and filter, replaced the brake fluid in the reservoir and all through the system, bled the brakes, and reset the service codes and everything. So unfortunately it decided to rain for the first time in 2 months, so I'm riding home in the rain, but that's all right. Today's the 11th. We are within 20 days of launch. That's pretty damn good. Looking forward to it. New set of tires always feels very good. All sorts of round, no more flat bottoms anymore. God, I hate a flat bottom.
And then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all them good times and nights that I shared yesterday, that I have today. I'm so grateful
We've certainly needed the rain. Been dry as a bone here for a little while, so we will dry out. Also washed the suit and gave it a Nick Wax treatment, so it was a good test out to see how dry it is inside, even though it is absolutely soaked outside from the deluge we had there.
we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will beloved, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax.
Did have one minor mishap. The bike decided to dismount the front fork carrier while they were trying to put the front tire on, and decided to check gravity on the right hand side. So I know Evil feels a little rough about it. It wasn't his fault. It just filed under the category of shit happens. Got it lifted back up. Nobody was injured, thank goodness, and other than some minor cosmetics and a minor broken brake handle end, which broke as it should. All things are good. So another successful day with Wildstein's activity.